Lucky draw lottery put ala de mai ta pe abu de getting ready for lucky draw lottery mai sa ka ko ka ye hop bu hai
hop bu consolation no
lottery pu le jo ne sada sha bu na mai te de ne Ten no le yes
especially the women's department led by Madam Jessica, whom I don't have mentioned which one systematically so we want Madam Jessica, whom I got the mark of the boy. And to you so I'm from the map, you have organized the map, I think it's found in the program and I want to know, but it's the pastor for the body for the
Thì power cái là thì sự bị đồ trong này lịch sử đó thì tôi sợ trong lịch sử đó không phải nào và thì mình thấy không mất cái mà nó rồi nó mình tập có tập tập với nó biết cho rồi mình tập học sự cả để phải sự là đi số số cả học tập rồi phù hợp với tây để cho nó tiếp tục đi ô rồi lịch sử mà nó thì nó học cái đó એને lịch sử ra khi nhìn ra tôi đưa ra là thế để học về bảo mà tôi nên rõ cái gì tôi chỉ lúc mà sẽ tôi cái tao đi mà tôi tôi chưa tao có એને bài tập để ý tôi có đó mà tao học bảo tôi luôn ये संदर्भ की नी जुमिशी फोकस ना तो ओ मोरे निकले याना वुमेन डिपार्टमेंट में तो ना ऑर्गेनाइजर को करते दिसा विश्व का वो टोल रे को सत्यासा से भी मैं परामर्श हमरो तो ये मो जो बा ऑर्गेनाइजर बा टिकट शॉपिंग में तो मोदे को तो शॉपिंग में सब में तो मोदे को चलो होते पर शॉपिंग लोग में करते टिकट शॉपिंग में करते mabon asapyo epan sanaraka kinyana tiket na sura kuma george na so thana ba kuma to era pa be da sura pa mukulu to tiket ro ki kuma sura te be asapyo anda chi ko ben bo esa le ka kesta mo o mo na asapyo de be me how many more ta praise ta to no le ana mo 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 sura te ya mo mo sura te ya ne ba asapyo da asa ba je da te bao này người chỉ có thôi đấy cho họ có rồi số thế pyramid o pyramid phát triển về phần là rồi là số số phát triển mà số 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 cái đó phát triển thì phải chỉ có rồi mà chỉ program một cái là cái phát triển cho số số cái mình là phải cho nó chỉ có rồi đấy amen
tiket sale so I mean total printer have 1184 printers okay. So you know about 1000 tickets has been sold. So let's give a big round of applause. Okay, we have as per the lucky draw prizes listed, we have 5 prizes. Let me just briefly highlight once again for all of you. The first prize is a washing machine worth ₹50,000. Second prize is sound bar, which is worth ₹10,000. And the third prize is garment steamer, which is worth ₹5,000. And the fifth prize is electric kettle, which is worth 1,500. And apart from these prizes, we also have 5 consolation prizes. So we will start first with the consolation prizes. This is the ticket. We have nicely folded and placed here. I will call some of the names to come and pick up the board. Okay, so we will start with the consolation prizes. Okay, before that, anyone want to come and check all the things? Bây giờ là mình sẽ có một cuộc thì cái cô đi for fairness come all of you confused. Please come and check. Something from us. Main prize is possibility. Okay, for first consolation prize, we will call Miss Jenny. Okay, Jessica, speak up to the women. Men sabo bina. Okay, so we have the first consolation prize here. Any guesses? Yes. It's from 900 series. Any guesses? Okay, it's lucky number 914.
940 Roland.
Okay, Mr. Roland, ticket number 940.
940. 940. First consolation prize Roland. Ini pelu deh.
Okay, next consolation prize I will call upon Mr. Kavipo. Okay, thank you. Okay, we have the second lucky consolation number. It's from 100 series. Any guesses? Okay, it's 109. Ticket number 109. It goes to Mr. Tomino. Okay, the next consolation prize, I would request our Dr. Pearson to kindly come and pick up this law.
This is 800 series. 800 series. Ticket number 887. Mr. Sharrock, Guwahati.
Second consolation prize goes to Mr. Sherlock, 887.
The lucky number to start with 362.
Third consolation prize.
Okay, now the consolation prize is done. One more. Okay, one more, yes. Okay, the next consolation prize I will call upon Madam Dorothy to kindly come and take us along. Dorothy, we will get the most one.
Series of 400. 4, 5,
4, 5.
1. Mr. Robson from Live.
Mr. Robson.
Okay, we are done with the consolation prizes. Now we will go to the main prizes. Okay, since we are coming from down part, next we will bring up our fifth prize. That is the electric vehicle. Okay, now we have only 3 prizes there. So we will start with the third prize. The third prize, I will call our church secretary to kindly come and pick up the Okay, the lucky winner is Mr. Sholyamai.
676. Mr. Shulawi. Wow.
Okay, next I will call upon our building chairman, John Mika, kindly come and pick up. Okay, the lucky winner here for the second prize is from the series of 800. Any guesses? Unfortunately, the lucky person happens to be from Shillong. It's 864.
864. Dr. Narendra.
Okay, now we have the last and final first prize. I will call upon our pastor to kindly come and pick up the lucky number.
Next. Series of 3.
One series. Okay. 171.
171.
Join love, Dimapur.
17.
Ticket number 171, Jordan Lam from Dimapur. Kita banyak orang boleh, banyak kita kan ramai boleh selesai macam ni. Okay, especially we want to get kita organize to have an operation satu pemuju Women's Department led by Jessica Diana. Dia teman kita have an department itu kan kita bawa pada kita pada ini price pun bawa cuma pada ramai apa yang nanti itu dia ada di price ini bawa.
Dan. Kayak gitu. Ini press aleluna. Vậy nên đâu đây? This is church Singapore. We'll show our church building. This church will be dedicating on 26th of this month. This is our church. Mama Jasper. And this is our surrounding. Network way mo hai. This is toilet. This is Sunday school hall. This is the main church. Church one is your social walks away. And we are preparing for lunch. Special porridge. We'll end the lunch. Bye bye everyone. Network